Have you ever been in a conversation at work where you understood what the other person said, but you weren't quite sure how to respond? You needed a short, natural response, something quick and confident, but you just didn't have the right phrase. Well, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you 10 short, natural responses that confident English speakers use at work all the time. And you'll get the chance to practice each response with me. Hi there, I'm Derek and this is English for Professionals, the best place to improve your English communication skills for work. Before we get started with the lesson, Black Friday is just around the corner and I'm preparing something special for professionals who are serious about making real progress in English in the coming weeks and months. If you want to get early access and exclusive bonuses, make sure to join the VIP waitlist. I've left a link in the description below. And now let's get started with the lesson. The first short response we're going to look at is will do. Will do. And this is a natural way to say, yes, I will do that. Use it when someone asks you to do something. Okay, so here we have a definition of will do and when to use it. Now it's time to see it in action and then to practice it together. So first of all, you'll hear me read a very short dialogue. I want you to pay close attention to my intonation when I give the response. So my intonation is how my voice goes up or down, and this is really important for these short responses. So I want you to then copy my intonation when you have the chance to practice it yourself. Let's try it. Can you add that document to the shared folder, please? Will do. Okay, let's hear it one more time. Can you add that document to the shared folder, please? Will do. Excellent. Now let's practice together. I'll take the role of Laura, you take the role of Tom, and try to copy the intonation you heard before. Can you add that document to the shared folder, please? Great, now let's have a look at a second example. I'll read it first and then we'll do it together. Could you let everyone know the report is now due on Thursday? Will do. And now together, could you let everyone know the report is now due on Thursday? Excellent. Our next short response is consider it done. Consider it done. And it's quite similar to will do. It's a confident way to say you'll take care of something and the other person doesn't need to worry about it. Use it when someone asks you to do something and you want to sound proactive. Here's our first example. Can you book a room for the Thursday workshop? Consider it done. Let's practice it together. Can you book a room for the Thursday workshop? Great. And our second example, could you send me a copy of the contract when you have a minute? Consider it done. And now together, could you send me a copy of the contract when you have a minute? Great. Now let's move on to our next short response. Got it. Got it. And this is an informal way to say I understand or I see what you mean. Use it when someone gives instructions or shares important information. Here's our first example, and again, I'll read it first, then we'll practice together. Just a reminder, we're using the blue logo for this project. Got it. Now together, just a reminder, we're using the blue logo for this project. Our second example, the client wants the updated version by Wednesday morning. Got it. And now together, the client wants the updated version by Wednesday morning. Great. Our next short response is understood. Understood, which is basically the same as got it, but slightly more formal and professional. Use it in formal settings or when someone gives clear instructions or decisions. Let's have a look at our first example. From today, all purchase requests need to go through the new system. Understood. And now together, from today, all purchase requests need to go through the new system. Great. Second example, the report needs to be ready before lunch tomorrow. Understood. I'll make sure it's done. Now together, the report needs to be ready before lunch tomorrow. So I hope you're enjoying this lesson so far. Make sure when you're finished watching the lesson to leave me a comment. Let me know which of the short responses you found most useful, which ones were new to you, and if you want, you can even try to leave your own short dialogue using one of the short responses in the comments. That would be really cool. I'll take a look and give you some feedback. And now, let's get back to the lesson. Our next common response is sure. Sure. And this is a friendly, natural way to say yes. Use it in everyday workplace interactions when someone asks for help. Our first example, please let me know if Paul replies to that email. Sure. Let's try it together. Please let me know if Paul replies to that email. Great. Our second example, could you send the report to marketing for me? Sure, no problem. And now together, could you send the report to marketing for me? Coming up next, we have leave it with me. Leave it with me, which means I'll handle this or I'll take responsibility. Use it when someone has a problem or an unfinished task and you want to take responsibility for it. We often use it when someone is busy or stressed and we want to take some work away from them. Our first example, we still don't have any feedback from the client. Leave it with me. I'll give them a call this afternoon. Let's try it together. We still don't have any feedback from the client. Great. And our second example, I still haven't checked the supplier contract. There's just too much to do today. Leave it with me. I can review it for you. And now together, I still haven't checked the supplier contract. There's just too much to do today. Our next short response is good to know. Good to know. This is a polite response to new or useful information. Use it when someone tells you something that helps you make decisions or avoid mistakes. Our first example, just so you know, the client prefers emails over calls. Good to know. Let's try it together. Just so you know, the client prefers emails over calls. Great. Our second example, the server maintenance was moved to Saturday. Good to know. The server maintenance was moved to Saturday. Coming up next, we have makes sense. Makes sense, which means I understand why or that's logical. Use it when someone explains a reason, process, or decision. We need to do more testing because of the new regulations. Makes sense. We need to do more testing because of the new regulations. Second example, let's move the meeting to next week so we have more time to prepare everything. Makes sense. Let's move the meeting to next week so we have more time to prepare everything. Brilliant. Our next short response is seriously? Seriously? And this is a natural reaction to surprising, unexpected, or slightly frustrating news. Use it informally with colleagues you know well. First example, they want the whole report rewritten by tomorrow. Seriously? They want the whole report rewritten by tomorrow. Great. Our second example, they've moved the meeting again. It's the third time this week. Seriously? They've moved the meeting again. It's the third time this week. Great. Coming up next, we have no way. No way. This is an informal reaction to surprising or exciting news. We use it informally with colleagues we know well. Our first example, guess what? They just approved our proposal. No way! That's brilliant news. Now let's do it together. Guess what? They just approved our proposal. Excellent. And our second example, they upgraded all of us to business class. No way. And let's try this one together. They upgraded all of us to business class. Great, I hope you found this lesson helpful. Make sure to leave me a comment and let me know which short responses you like best, or even practice using them in your own mini dialogues. And don't forget what I said at the start of the lesson about Black Friday. I have a very special offer coming up for professionals who are serious about making progress with English at work. I've put together a VIP waitlist. People who join that waitlist will get early access and exclusive bonuses. So make sure to check that out. The link to the waitlist is in the description below. And if you liked the lesson, give it a thumbs up and watch one of these next.